Right folks, hello again, welcome back to my channel, and dare I say it, are the maker community starting to wind down just a little bit? Last of the Christmas postal orders gone off, maybe finishing a few items for family and friends, maybe even a few hours downtime before the madness of the Christmas food shopping starts. Well, in terms of madness, 2023 has certainly been a year like I have never experienced before, both professionally and personally, and I'm going to deal with that in a annual review video at the start of next year. But in terms of a content creating perspective, I've recently passed a couple of what I would say significant milestones. I've just hit 13,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is, God, I still can't get my head around those figures. And a huge thank you to people who've joined recently, and a massive thank you to those who've been on board since the early days. And I've also just hit 3,000 followers on Instagram as well. And again, a huge thank you to all those people who follow me and support the channel. To celebrate hitting these two milestones and the festive season as well, I've decided to have a giveaway. Now this is going to run for just over 2 weeks and close on Friday the 5th of January 2024 at 12 PM. If you want to know how to enter, just stick with me for a couple more minutes and I'll explain later. But first, what's in the giveaway? Well, I recently uploaded a video where I demonstrate how I do a bow tie style inlay that requires no chisel work. Now, I've got not one, not two, but 3 bundle deals to give away, as I've teamed up with my good friend Martin at Chops Designs and Trend Tool Technology to bring you that package for you to try out yourself. So what do you get? Well, Martin has very kindly supplied the bow tie style, so what you might want to call them, the dog bone, the dumbbell, I think bonios, I think what Daffyd called them, the actual templates, and Trend Tool Technology have very kindly supplied me 3 inlay kits. So in there you get the 3.2mm 1/4 inch router bit, the guide bush and the adapter as well, and also I'm going to give away a tin of my food safe wood wax finish. So you've got the entire kit to try out those bow tie style inlay yourself. So I think that's a really good prize, to be honest. So how do you enter into this competition? Well, it's pretty straightforward really. There are 3 criteria. Firstly, you need to like this video, and secondly, you need to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, going along the bottom will be an email address, which is handicraftgiveaway@gmail.com. There's no hyphens in it. You need to send me an email, and on that email you need to have 2 things. You need to have your username on YouTube, and you also need to have your full name as well, and that's it. So let me just recap that one for you. You just need to like the video, you need to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you need to send me an email to handicraftgiveaway@gmail.com, and in that email you just need to contain your YouTube username, for example mine is hand-i-craft, and your full name including surname as well. They will be randomly drawn on Friday the 5th of January in the afternoon, and I will post the results across all of my social media. So it's open to my Instagram and Facebook followers as well, and there will be 3 top prizes that you can see here. It is only UK, I'm afraid, so apologies to my international followers, but due to kind of shipping problems with the UK, the way we have things at the moment, it is only going to be UK delivery only. So that's it for this one, folks. I do hope you've enjoyed the content across the year. It's been the best year in terms of growth, viewers, subscribers, all that kind of stuff for the channel, and hopefully that will feed into next year and the coming years as well. Just like to take this opportunity to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy the holiday season. I will catch you in the new year. Take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.